Hi, I'm Jared Applegate, an artist here in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and a professor at Ivy Tech Community College. And I am a co-creator along with a colleague and a creative partner and friend named Erin Salyers on the Unity Mural located on 600 South Harrison Street in Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Hi, I'm Erin Salyers. I'm a department chair at Ivy Tech for visual communication and design technology. Jared Applegate and I work together at Ivy Tech. We're art and design professors. We have done a few projects outside of work together, like the Unity Mural. We had a great time collaborating on this project, and I hope you enjoy it.
So as you can see, the Unity Mural is made up of 4 walls in the underpass of the Norfolk Southern Railroad Bridge. And the northwest wall, what you'll see just an eclectic array of the diversity of people of Fort Wayne and the Martin Luther King Jr. Bridge, which is pretty iconic here in Fort Wayne. So we see that bridge as like the connection between different quadrants and aspects of the north side of Fort Wayne and the south side of Fort Wayne. The southwest mural, it's dominated by a couple that was found from the Allen County Public Library Fort Wayne archives, and we believe that they were members of the Fort Wayne theater group back in the mid-20th century. The northeast wall, you'll see a dancing couple. The Fort Wayne city skyline is behind them. The tulips that you will discover at Foster Park are in the foreground. And then the southeast wall, you might notice some aspects of Lakeside Park there, which is just another iconic place here in Fort Wayne and Park where people get married and spend time and take pictures among those beautiful rose gardens.
Once we were selected for this mural, we started off with a survey. It was a design thinking survey. That's something that I spent a lot of time on in grad school, working on design thinking strategies. And so we put together a survey for the community, and we asked as many people as we could get to fill out this survey. And we asked questions like, what are your favorite things about Fort Wayne? What would you like to see in a public art piece in Fort Wayne in this high traffic area, and things like that.
So the Unity Mural's location, being in such that high traffic area, was just so encouraging. The title alone, Unity, right? And then with the survey that Erin puts together, we unite the voices of Fort Wayne in a way of what do you want to see in the mural.
For more information about this mural and others, please go to artthiswayfw.com.